So I'm here to talk today a little bit about our monitoring solution for our modular data centers. We want to be able to bring in our facility data as well as our compute infrastructure data all into one system.
We're collecting the entire set of data on these racks, cooling, IT, power, and that's a lot of data.
A lot of that data loses its value within seconds after it's being collected. If you can't take immediate action on it, it loses its value. So by being at the edge, we're able to pull the devices much more frequently and make decisions in real time with our analytics engine, and then only push up the data that we want to historize up into the cloud platform.
With that, it allows us the capability to not only collect the data, but to be able to run edge analytics.
And transmit only the data that you need to go to the cloud, saving on bandwidth and expense.
If we didn't have that edge capability, we would have to make trade-offs on whether we were going to pull lots of devices less frequently or fewer devices more frequently.
Imagine all the data that's collected from this particular micromodular data center. Imagine that there's hundreds or thousands. How are you going to sift through that data and look for predictive analysis or anomalies? One of the ways we can do that is by aggregating that in the cloud and then using the SAP HANA IoT integrator to move that data into HANA and use its predictive capabilities. SAP and the Nexus with Dell and OSIsoft make a powerful combination.
So this is an extension of what we do in traditional data centers. In this case, a micromodular data center is just a very small footprint data center, but with all the same types of devices. The difference being that these are distributed all across the world, and by leveraging the PI system on the edge gateway, we can support thousands of remote sites, yet aggregate that data for visualization and analysis in a centralized place.
And we're collecting the data from the IT, cooling, and electrical systems through a 5100 gateway that Dell provides. It's low power, doesn't take a slot, and it's really easy to set up. This particular device is running the PI Edge software, so we can collect the data from a lot of different sources. In this case, Redfish. OSIsoft has over 450 interfaces, so it's your choice.
Well, Redfish is evolving now as a standard within data centers, but the rest of the devices in the rack are standard data center devices that could speak any number of protocols.
Our service provider customers are looking for an edge solution that includes our power, cooling, IT infrastructure, monitoring, analytics, and we can do that all in one piece.